Every day, millions of journeys begin on Mumbai's suburban railway, the lifeline of India's financial capital. Since 1999, Mumbai Railway Vikas Corporation has been transforming suburban rail infrastructure under the Mumbai Urban Transport Project, creating additional capacity, enhancing safety, and providing comfort to commuters. As MRVC celebrates its 27th Foundation Day, we look back with pride and ahead with renewed determination. For over 2 decades, MRVC has partnered with the Ministry of Railways and the Government of Maharashtra to deliver transformational infrastructure for Mumbai's suburban railway. New railway corridors, additional lines, station improvement, bridges, passenger amenities, and modern engineering solutions, all with one objective: making every journey safer, faster, and more comfortable for millions of commuters. This year marked another significant milestone, with Khar Road becoming the first fully improved station under MUTP 3A, setting new benchmarks in accessibility, commuter convenience, and passenger experience. 4 more stations, namely Mira Road, Kandivli, Nerar, and Kasara, have been improved during the year. Construction gathered remarkable momentum on the Panvel to Karjat suburban corridor, bringing Mumbai closer to a modern railway connection that will unlock new opportunities for growth and regional connectivity. Steady progress also continued on the vital Virar to Dahanu quadrupling project, which will significantly enhance future capacity along Mumbai's northern suburban corridor. Across the Vaitarna River, engineers continue to overcome challenging terrain while constructing one of the most significant railway bridges under the Mumbai Urban Transport Project. Infrastructure works needed for running of 15-car EMU services in Virar-Dahanu Road section at Virar Station, including widening and extension of existing platform and provision of new home platform, extension of FOB were completed in a very short span of 3 months. Innovation reached another milestone with the successful construction of India's first waterproof pedestrian subway beneath 7 operational railway lines at Bhivandi. Built without disrupting train operations, the subway offers a safe, durable, and all-weather crossing while helping curb trespassing in one of the region's most vulnerable locations. The long-awaited Airoli to Kalwa elevated corridor also moved forward with commencement of encroachment removal, paving the way for one of Mumbai's most critical future capacity enhancement projects. The government has also sanctioned 2 major projects under MUTP 3B, the Badlapur to Karjat 3rd and 4th lines and the Asangao to Kasara 4th line, taking another decisive step towards expanding Mumbai's suburban railway network. To meet the requirement of additional services due to growing network, MRVC has floated the tender for procurement of 238 state-of-the-art ACE-MU rakes, which will enhance safety and provide comfort to commuters, with bid opening scheduled in August 2026. An important milestone towards delivering a faster, more comfortable, and future-ready suburban fleet. Planning for tomorrow has already begun. MRVC has ordered the comprehensive study for preparation of the mobility plan and detailed project reports for MUTP4, focusing on Mumbai's next-generation suburban rail infrastructure. Together with station improvement, new railway corridors, innovative solutions, and modern rolling stock, MRVC continues to shape the future of mobility for one of the world's busiest suburban railway systems.
27 years ago, MRVC was entrusted with the responsibility to integrate Mumbai's suburban railway infrastructure plans with urban development plans and propose investment and implement the projects. Today, that commitment remains stronger than ever. Every corridor we build, every station we modernize, every bridge we construct, and every project we undertake is aimed at improving the daily lives of millions who depend on this network. The achievements of the past 1 year are a testament to the dedication of our employees, the unwavering support of the Ministry of Railways and the Government of Maharashtra, our consultants, contractors, and every stakeholder associated with this journey. Focusing on completion of ongoing project, progressing major expansion now sanctioned, procurement of modern AC trains, and planning of the next phase of Mumbai Suburban Railway through MUTP4, we remain committed to building suburban rail infrastructure that is safe, sustainable, and future ready.
27 years of partnership, 27 years of engineering excellence, 27 years of transforming Mumbai's suburban railway, and the journey has only just begun. Mumbai Railway Vikas Corporation, building capacity, enhancing safety, connecting futures.